Alright, we're back building the cargo trailer. Today I'm going to get started building the kitchen wall, we're going to be calling it, because there's going to be a wall here. If this is your first time seeing our videos, this is a 6x12 V-nose cargo trailer we're turning into a camper. It's for a music festival that we go to once a year. We're going to drive the thing down there. It's 2,000 miles away in Texas. We're going to leave it there, store it there while we're not using it. But while we're there, the most important things are a comfortable bed, air conditioning, good insulation, and we decided to make an outdoor kitchen. So we're going to build a wall here, 2 feet in from the end. We got the barn doors. There's going to be a fridge, microwave, coffee pot, toaster, hot water. We have a portable hot water heater. It's going to go on the door, so that'll become a shower, you know, with a curtain across the back, and keeps all this cooking outside. You know, when you're down here, and the fridge is right here, it's easy to get a drink. Let's face it, a beer. Yeah, you can make your breakfast in the morning, whatever. So we're going to build this wall, and then there's going to be a queen bed in front of it. So I put some blocking before I put the sheathing up. I put some blocking in the wall as a nailer to screw that wall into. I've got some 2x4s and 2x6s left over from other projects. I'm going to rip those down and make essentially 2x2s to build this frame with. Then I've got some 1.5" foam insulation, and then I'm going to sheath it with 7/16 OSB, which is the same material that's on the walls now, on either side. So that'll insulate the back, so when the doors are open during the day or whatever, just here in front of the wall there's going to be an AC unit right here, window AC unit. The interesting thing about that is when the condensate drips down, it's going to drip into a pan, and that's going to become basically our wash basin, kind of, you know, throw that water out. It's just to collect the water so it doesn't, whatever, who cares. Alright, so I'm figuring out as I go. I don't have a drawn up plan, it's all right here in my head. So sorry I don't have something really cool to show you like some other channels do. I'm just winging it, man, which I think is what most people do. So let's build a wall. What do you say? You into it? Let's go for it. You know, it dawned on me, if I build this wall, it's going to separate these two spaces. That's what walls do. Duh, right? Hello? So I build this wall from this point forward. I'm going to have to go in the side door to get into work in here. I think I can handle that though, if you help me along. Would you help me? I've got to make a plumb line up the wall so I know where this goes on the top. That'd be handy, right? Now we know where the wall wants to be. It's something to aim for. Let's see, we got 1.5 inches. Got any 3-inch screws? I need some 3-inch screws. I forgot to turn the camera on. It was very dramatic as I put this piece up. Should have seen it. It was awesome. Screwing a 2x2 to the ceiling into my furring strips. The ceiling is curved a little bit, so it's good that it's only 1.5 inches. Because it'll bend a little bit. Never see one of these in an RV, they're too cheap. because of that bend, that became a little short right there. But that's okay. Alright, now I'll put one on the floor and then we'll do the, figure out the layout. I gotta make the opening for the air conditioner. So there's gonna be a hole right here. And then we'll go from there. Need the hammer. Maybe have a tool belt on, huh? But I don't. So just deal with it. So I mean, I have a tool belt. I just don't have a. Nice tight fit. That's what I want. Should I throw the level on it? I don't know. I mean, here's a level. Perfect. See, the thing with getting level in a trailer is the trailer has to be level, or else none of that matters. But we checked that already. Alright, so I gotta fit it in there. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna actually mount it when it's done. So there'll be sheathing over all of this. And then I'll put trim down here. Trim piece here that goes right up to the ceiling. I won't put one up here. And I'll put one under here. But what that do, it'll give me some pitch on this so that the condensation runs off. It's going to be in a tub in the back. So pretty happy with the fit. Now I'm going to take it out of here and get some sheathing up. I just wanted to dry fit it before I sheathed the wall, but I think I did it right for once. That was smooth, huh? What are we going to put it up with? That's fine, that'll come out and trim. Oh, I didn't cut it for the length. Out she goes. See if that's a little better. Yeah, it looks more better. I don't know, I think I'm just gonna nail it in. Yeah, I got Tico nails. That'll work. Trim. We got a good joint there. Okay. Alright, this side's done. Time to insulate. Okay. No. Much better. Yeah, that'll need a little zip-de-doo around the edges. It'll be fine. See how far this gets us. Oh. Spray foam it. Alright, let's see how this goes. I'm going to try to cut this from this side with my Sawzall. Gotta let that spray foam set up a little, then I'll trim it off. And then sheathe this side. And then I guess we'll paint again. So I got the wall painted, you can see I got the hole cut out for the air conditioner. In the next video we'll build the kitchen and maybe do some electrical, who knows? I don't even know, I'm making it up as I go like I said. So anyway, thanks for watching the video. We'll see you next time from White Pine Woods. So long, appreciate you all very much.